Hello, this is Kurt from Grand Purpose Piano. You could reach us at grandpurpose.com. We're in the shop today and working on quite a few different things. But here is a piano that just came in. It's a Kawai, and it's getting a new player system. The old player system, which was another brand, stopped working many years ago. And so it needs a whole new system. And what's required with this is going to be that I have to change the configuration of the base of the piano here to accommodate the new system that's going to be going in. It's going to be getting all new components, and it's going to be getting the brand new Prodigy 2 player system. A lot of fun. It's going to be really great. Over here is the Yamaha C7 that I'm finishing up restoration on. I just got done restringing it and just put the action in temporarily just to get it tuned. I mean, this has got quite a big sound. It's a nice piano. I'm also working on a Steinway O over here that's getting ready to get a new pin block. So you can see all these things are kind of going on. I'm just kind of getting a handle on it and just get a few of these projects moving forward and getting my head on. You know, sometimes you get into the shop and you have all these things going on. You got to kind of get organized. So that's what I'm doing today. Have a great day. If you need any information about what I do here, you can go to grandpurpose.com. Thanks.